In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view unread email messages on your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up AOL Mail, and on the left side, there should be a section underneath Inbox that says Unread. Go ahead and select that, and that's all you have to do. If you don't see that, you may have to go underneath Settings up at the top, and then go underneath More Settings, and then Viewing Email. If you had the new/old mail logo, then you would see it immediately at the top. There'd be a new mail option. It would be in its own inbox. But I think the default option here is going to be the unified inbox theme. So just want to put that out there. Your view may be slightly different, and that's why you're not seeing the options exactly like this. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.